Yes. Boot. They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What are them? Chatting, chatting.
Hey guys, what's up? We are here with another cooking for you guys. So we're just making some lobster soup. Yes guys, so this is where we're at the process so far. We're just peeling our food and all of that good stuff. We have already put the pot on the stove, so when we're going over that side, we're going to give you guys a little see what's going on in the pot, right? So yes guys, I don't know, we have to peel our carrot, and the best tool to use is your vegetable peeler, so you save that carrot, right, and you get the most out of it. And that's what King here is doing. We have to love.
Bang, bang, boom.
Yes guys, so we glad that you guys enjoy the Christmas cooking, so we decide to give you guys our New Year's cooking, right? Yes guys, and this is what the videos are about. You'll see it in the title down below. So thank you for all the love. We appreciate it guys. We appreciate it, and we just want to say big up, and we respect everybody that's been supporting us. And we're going into a new year, and we want to show you guys that we really appreciate the love, right? So thank you guys, and a happy new year when it come, or whenever you're seeing this video, right? And drop it down in the comment section and tell us as well, right? Yes guys, precise with the cuts, you know. Yes guys, look at that, beautiful, right? Yeah, lovely. And we have our water to put it in, so don't worry, it's going straight into that water. Yes guys, and we're going to move to our Irish potato.
Take you know, go on guys.
Yeah,
I'll be epicness go on over here, so.
yes guys, and drop it down in the comment section and let us know what your New Year's dinner was or is, depending on the time that you're watching this video, right? Yes guys, look at that. And guys, feel free to leave it down in the comment section and tell us the videos you guys want us to do for the new year. So we're gonna catch you guys back when we finish peeling all the potatoes, because we have Irish and we have sweet potatoes. So we're gonna catch you back when we're doing the cutting up, right? We'll soon come so forward. Yes guys, so we are back again. So that's our yam, and this is a renta yam. So we're gonna cut it up into small bite-sized pieces. And guys, run over to our chef channel and check out our red pea soup video. That one is a bang. So now you have it, a lobster soup and a red pea soup, so feel free to check it out guys. Yes guys, drop it down in the comment section and tell us if you want some of the soup. And with that turnip, yes guys, how long ago since you heard about turnip? Guys, when I saw this turnip, my mind drift back to that storybook in primary school, that big turnip, and he pull and he pull and he pull. That was what my mind drift back to, guys. And he pull and he pull and he pull. That was what my mind drift back to. Yeah. So now that you guys got the hang of it, we're gonna cut up everything else and catch you guys when we're putting it in the pot. Yes guys, so stay tuned. Yes guys, so this is how our pot is looking. We have our lobster heads and these are boiled down. You realize that the color has already changed, and that's how you know the cooking process for the lobster is going on fine, right? So yes guys, we haven't seasoned the pot yet, but we're gonna do that in just a little minute. And this is smelling good. The lobster flavor is nice, right? Peppers, scotch bonnet. Yes guys, and remember, be careful with the cooking. Accidents do happen in the kitchen, so just take your time and be careful, right? What you have to say, lovely?
I'm just going to take it in and look what I want, because this is a epic and normal around here. Christmas did epic, this is a epic her. Yeah man, I mean the word.
Yes guys, and if you know Jamaicans, you know they'll make up a word, right? Yes guys, don't worry, I'm going to save some for you, so just send over your plate, your cup, your whatever you need it in, your jug, your pot, or if you want the pot, just give me a location so that we can drop it off for you, right? Yes guys, coming along beautifully, right? So guys, we'll soon come. Next time you'll be seeing us pot is properly seasoned and we'll be adding our food, right? We're so forward.
Few moments later.
Yes guys, so we're just going to add our, guess in the comment section, spinach or little dumpling. You don't know, no soup is completed without that, right?
Yeah guys, and remember to like, share and subscribe.
Yes guys, and watch the ads. Please, please, please watch the ads. Yes guys.
Share the content guys.
And drop it down in the comment section down below and let us know which and what videos you want for the new year. We're trying our best to give you guys some more vlogs, but bear with us guys, we're trying. Look
I
at
know
that.
say I want going to the lobster cook already.
Yes guys, so just go finish the seasoning up and then you don't know where to take it from there.
Now using spinach guys. Spinach take up too much time. So I'm just say
Ronas.
use some roll up.
Roll up, whatever it is. Yes guys, so let us know what you did on New Year's Eve, what you did on New Year's. Let us know all of that in the comment section down
people
below.
are out in the night, yeah, but we are going to enjoy the cooking.
Yes guys,
I plan to go up on the road too, but you don't know, I want to get this out of the way first.
yeah, we do some soup on the house guys. Yup. Stir him up. Guys, this is smelling so aromatic and nice.
Alright guys, so right now, tell me say I want to though.
Yes guys, one going on. So we're just going to add our food to boil. Woo, yes. Woo, yes. Beautiful, right?
Everything.
Everything. Yes guys, he must stir up.
Alright guys, that's what I tell you now. One go down.
One go. No two, no three go. One go.
So I'm done with this. Only thing I make this go and do.
Simmer down and simmer down. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, guys. All I'm gonna need for the now just simmer and the food take its time and cook, right? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So we soon come again, right? So forward.
One eternity later.
Guys, look at that. I know you want some, but I will just tell you how it tastes, right? Yes, guys, and you can feel free to follow the recipe, right? And give it a try. Beautiful, guys. So, you know, we always true to our roots because we are dedicated chefs. So we did a plating for you guys. So let's go. Yes, guys, this is what we're talking about. And remember, when you're serving soup, always have your underliner, right? Yes, guys, beautiful. Look at that, man. Look goodie. Woo. Yes, guys, I'm gonna just drink this and tell you guys, yeah, looks really nice. And guys, remember to follow us on Instagram because we post pictures over there. Yes, guys,
check
and
over Chef Alexander Instagram. You go see this.
yes, guys, remember to follow our socials, and we're planning on making a TikTok chef and a couple accounts. So let us know what you think about that. Yes.